what you need for you to be a YouTube creator. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzie. You're welcome to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please just hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So today is about people that is thinking they want to be a YouTuber, they want to be doing video and upload on YouTube. What you need and what you don't need, this video is for you. If you are not yet subscribed, just subscribe. And first, you get your smartphone. You have your smartphone. Then the second one is your internet. You have internet. Without internet, you can't upload on YouTube. You need internet for you to upload. But you don't need internet to do a video. You need internet to upload when you have your smartphone. Third one is get your tripod. Your tripod is necessary because of you have to stand your phone. If you don't stand your phone, you try to just stand your phone in the table in anywhere. If you fall down, it can break. So you have to fix it. That will cost you extra money. So get your tripod. And there is a tripod. LD come with the tripod. That is ring light come with the tripod. Get that and stand it. Get the one that is not too expensive, the one you can afford. There is a ring light like this that is very small. It's like this in my hand, very small, and it have 3 lights. It's very bright when you see that close to your phone. Is editing app. Go to your Play Store, download any editing app you know you can use, do a video, upload it there, try to play with the editing app. Gradually, you will know it before sitting down and do your own video for you to edit. When you made a mistake, where you can make a mistake, you can repeat it again and delete that place you made it and cut the place you made a mistake out. Then add it together. It will come okay when you upload it on YouTube. So about phone on, if you want to do a video. So I watched a video that said if you want to use your phone to do a video, you don't use the front camera. But for me, I use front camera because I understand why they said we should not use front camera, because a lot of people that they don't know how to use front camera, they look at themselves like they are looking at themselves in the face of the phone like a mirror. No, it's not a mirror. What you need to do is to look at the lens. Look at the lens. So you are talking to people outside. When you upload it, it will look good. Not the one you are looking at yourself. No, looking at yourself when you upload it is like you are talking to yourself or you are talking to another place. Not you just upload it. It looks somehow. It's like using camera, you have to look front of the camera. It's like that you have to look at the lens, not to look at the back. Because of if I use the back, if I use this back, maybe I can be looking other side, thinking of I'm looking at the lens, whereas I'm not looking at the lens, like I'm not looking at the lens, I'm looking at other side. So if something is on my face, I can look at my face like this now. I can like just sneak and look at my face and take my face out. No, my face is okay, but not to keep looking at the front of the phone. And what I notice about the front of the phone, I think is okay for me, because if I use phone is editing my face, is editing what I do, like my face, especially my face, editing my face, it clear my face. But if I use here, it's not going to clear my face, it's not going to edit my face at all. So I will like using front of camera. I'm used to it. I'll be using front of camera since I start doing YouTube. Is okay for me. Only the thing you have to learn not to look at the face, look at the lens. And if you want to do a video of YouTube, remember not to stand it like this. Standing it like this is not a YouTube, is not video for YouTube. Or you can upload it. If we have those background that have white here and white here, you don't want that. So rather you stand it like this. When you stand it like this and you look at the lens here, you look at the lens, it will be perfect for you. If you want to start YouTube, don't look at the people that start already, that they are be getting paid. They earn money to get whatever they want to get the best edit, to get the best camera, to get the best thing. You understand? Just do your own. You will get to that essence. You will get to that place. And don't look at your background like your background is not okay. You can't do your video. You don't know what is the background of my house now. You are just seeing the backside. Okay, the backside is okay. That is only what we need in YouTube. And if you want to do a video, not for the one, you will pack a lot of things in the background that will distract the people that is watching your video. Like few plants, green thing. Like if you don't have, you can make it plain. Is okay. Not for someone is looking, it's like is looking for one particular thing on your video today from the background. It distracts. So don't do that. Just make your background clean. More you are doing video, more you know more things on YouTube, more you know more things how to do video. It's like you are upgrade yourself, not to be buying what people buy, because buying those things is just like you are keeping it. You are not going to use it. And is what you know how to use, you will be using. So that is for you want to start YouTube. Don't fake your voice. That is the most important thing. Don't fake your voice. Use the voice you have. Because if you fake your voice, at the end, you will regret, or you will say, oh, you can't keep it up because that is not your voice. You can't. You think maybe your voice is not good enough. Your voice is not okay. You think you are trying to pretend, you are trying to form in your video. No, don't do that. Just use your voice. When you use your voice, you will get used to your voice, and people that is watching you, people that is subscribing, they will get used to your voice too. They are just there to know what you do, to learn what you are doing, to take a clip, to take something what you are doing, not your voice. I see someone leave a comment down below. Oh, your voice is funny. Yeah, my voice is funny. I can't do surgery for that to change my voice. That is my voice. So I have to accept what I have. You understand? So don't even let that be your problem, thinking your voice is not good enough. Your voice is best. Your voice is okay. Use what you have to start your YouTube. So guys, that is all for now. If you have not yet subscribed, as I said for the beginning, please just subscribe, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and stay blessed. Bye.